Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get rid of OneDrive icons. If you've noticed blue cloud icons, green check marks, syncing arrows, or red X symbols on your files and folders, those are OneDrive status icons. They appear because OneDrive is syncing your files between your computer and the cloud. Some people like these icons, but many users find them distracting or confusing, especially if they don't use OneDrive often. The good news is that you can remove these icons very easily, and I'll show you the fastest methods step by step. So let's jump right in. First, open File Explorer on your computer. Now look at your folders, files, or desktop. You may notice small OneDrive icons beside different files. For example, a blue cloud icon usually means the file is stored online only. A green checkmark means the file is downloaded and available offline. And spinning arrows usually mean OneDrive is currently syncing the file. Now, the easiest way to remove most of these icons is by stopping OneDrive syncing. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen near the taskbar clock. Look for the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it immediately, click the small upward arrow to show hidden icons. Now click the OneDrive cloud icon. After that, click the gear icon at the top right corner. Then click Settings. A settings window will open. Now click the section called Sync and Backup. Inside this section, click Manage Backup. Here, you'll see folders like Desktop, Documents, and Pictures. If backup is enabled for these folders, OneDrive automatically syncs them and shows status icons. Turn off backup for the folders you no longer want synced with OneDrive. Go back to the main settings window. Now click Account. Then click Unlink this PC. A confirmation message may appear. Click Confirm. This disconnects OneDrive from your computer and stops syncing completely. In many cases, this immediately removes most OneDrive icons from your files and folders. Now restart your PC. After your computer turns back on, open File Explorer again and check your folders. For many users, the icons are already gone at this point. And that's it. Now you know several easy ways to remove OneDrive icons from your PC, depending on whether you want to disable syncing temporarily or completely uninstall OneDrive. If this video helped you, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Summary of steps. First, open File Explorer and check which OneDrive icons are appearing on your files and folders. Second, click the OneDrive cloud icon near the taskbar and open the Settings menu. Third, go to Sync and Backup, then disable folder backups for desktop, documents, or pictures if you no longer want them synced. Fourth, open the Account section and click Unlink this PC to disconnect OneDrive completely from your computer.